Good evening, Deepa. What is your degree? Which year did you complete your degree?
So this year only I have completed my degree and I completed my post graduation in statistics with computer applications.
Very good. Can you tell me in what way statistics can be used in banking?
Yes, sir. Sir, in statistics, we learn about making informed decisions. We learn analytical skills and also problem solving skills. We also learn about trend analysis, how to segment the data, how to forecast, and also prediction. These are the things which we learn in statistics. Also, I believe that banking is highly dependent on data, so these things will help me in getting more settled in the banking sector.
How can we forecast or predict data from the
Uh,
existing data?
yes, sir. So there are actually, so just a moment, I will share the link to Sejal, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I believe that, sir, there are actually several models which can do it for us. For example, we can do time series analysis. So if I have a data which is, for example, it is based on time. Using time series analysis, there are two types of models which I can use. For example, ARIMA and ARMA modeling is there. And on the basis of that, I can forecast up to next 10 years, 50 years, or how much ever I want. Apart from time series forecasting, there are more simpler versions as well. For example, regression analysis. So in regression analysis also, I will be able to forecast terms. So regression analysis is based on dependent variable and independent variables. So whatever is the variable, independent variable, I can change. On the basis of that, I will get the value of dependent variable, which is forecasting.
How do you see the banking scenario in the year 2034?
Yes, sir. Since the now economy is more towards digital upfront, I believe that banking will also be digitalized more and more. Even for the simpler procedure, now we are not going to bank, for example, even for opening account. So in 2034, I believe we will be able to do everything from while sitting at home. And there
Mhm.
might be more ventures apart from e-commerce, which will be there. Yeah.
Mhm. Now, can you tell us about the neobanks? What are neobanks? Can you name a few neobanks?
Sir, Jupiter is a neobank, which is basically they provide online financial solutions.
Yeah. And I think even you can include the name of other banks like Paytm Bank and so many others are there. Why don't you search in Google and get to know the new names? There are
Okay,
some more
I,
names also.
yes, sir, I will
I
do that.
think,
Neo,
yeah, in neobanks. Because
yes,
when you go with this, now you have studied computer applications.
yes, sir.
So in matter of computer applications, what are the various arenas in which computer application used in our day-to-day life besides banking?
Sir, I'm sorry, I
Besides
did not.
banking, besides banking, what are the other areas of common life that
Oh,
computer
sir,
applications are widely
so,
used?
yes, yes. Sir, we can use computers widely in health sectors. They are very useful there. And we can also use computers in other fields, for example in physics, even in biology we can use, because the genetic data, a simple gene have lot of data which is very difficult to have it in a single pen drive, I would say. So there are specialized computers for that. Also we can use computers in mathematics for solving highly difficult equations which are not easy if we do manually. Apart from that, computers are also used in uh, um, communication, like, yeah, abroad communication, one two.
Hmm,
Yeah, for example, now also we are communicating through a computer only, even though it is a screen. But yeah, so
hmm.
basically computers have made our life much more easier.
Now you can also mention about insurance, railways, government, then corporation, water
Uh,
boards. In almost all the fields, computer has
Yes,
been widely
sir.
used. You can include like that. They ask a
Yeah.
question like this for students like you.
Okay.
Why banking? Why banking? This question has been asked to a VIT student
Okay.
who has studied CSC, and she has appeared for interview today. She was asked first question, why banking?
Yes. So, sir, banking is something I have always had interest in. Since I was in class 10th, I always wanted to learn, I always wanted to opt for commerce, but I wasn't allowed to do so. So, right now, choosing banking is kind of rebel phase for me. Apart from that, since I come from a statistics background and there the main focus is on making informed decisions, highly equipped analytical skills, and decision making, so I think that all these things are going to help me to contribute into bank's success. And also, I have learned something called as customer segmentation, which is very important. This thing will help the bank to know which demographic they should focus more on if they are releasing any new ventures.
Okay. Now, if you said you were interested in banking, but you were not permitted to take by your parents, I can understand
Yes,
that. Yeah.
yes.
Now, can you tell me what is the role of a probationary officer?
Yes, sir. I believe the first and foremost role will be customer acquisition. That is, I will have to increase CASA, and there will be certain monthly targets also which I have to fulfill. Also, I have to search for the new good customers, and then I'll have to also help in reducing NPA, that is non-performing assets. For that, what I can do is I can check the credit worthiness of the new customer, and on the basis of that, I can whether allocate them a loan or not. Then I will also help them in finding perfect financial solutions, and also help. I will also help them in getting a proper insurance.
But the in between, you told that NPA, some loan and all. In the case of NPA, there is no question of giving any new loans unless we are thinking of reviving it. The most common strategy will be to take recovery measures. So
Okay,
that
sir.
portion of the answer you may have to alter. First, you have to tell the officer's role involves, say, marketing and
Yes, sir.
canvassing of new products, new business. Number
Mhm.
two, say to be in the front desk and taking care of the requirements of the customer, like fulfill, say, opening of an account, then
Yes, sir.
issuing of checkbook, making payment, etc. And as rightly said by you, to offer financial solutions to the customer by way of, say, opening up new SB accounts, fixed deposits, then issue of credit cards, etc.
Yes, sir.
Also take active part in marketing or, say, canvassing of business for para banking facilities like insurance facilities, then our, say, mutual fund products. Then also be a part of the team, guide the team, learn new, say, strategies, new instructions, and pass on them to subordinates and get them implemented to see that that individual targets allotted to me and also targets allotted for the group are achieved by us. Something like
Yes.
that you can modify and tell.
Also, sir, like if they're asking me any question, how much time I should speak for that particular answer?
Actually, you both, I mean, you have a tendency to talk more. So be
Yeah.
aware of that and make it abridged.
Yes, sir.
Instead of telling so lengthy answer, you can make it brief. Now, please tell me, in your college, Federal Bank, did it come for interview or not last year?
No, sir, they didn't.
Acha, you studied in which college?
Bharatiya University, sir.
Bharatiyar University. It is in Coimbatore, na?
Yes, sir. It is in Coimbatore.
Acha. There is no campus recruitment in Bharatiyar University.
Sir, for our sir, it is there, but last time not many many companies visited.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Because for this student, VIT, they have asked repeatedly questions on this. We came to your campus fourth semester. Why did you not come? Now, why are you coming like this? The next question asked is how,
Sir, Sir, can
yeah,
I mention that last year when I was in third sem, I was starting my fourth sem, I did applied for Federal Bank and I cleared up to GD. But since I did not have mark sheet of the sixth sem, I was not eligible for the interview.
no, no, you don't
So
have to tell. You did not tell that unless they see it in your application and then ask. Because it it is one way negative, you know. You were not aware you are not eligible. Why did you apply?
actually, sir, they never
Or
mentioned that what was the
no, no,
criteria for the.
nothing. No, no. See, they have very clearly told in the advertisement that you must be a postgraduate as on some particular date. Just as this year, they have told you must be a postgraduate as on 31/7 2024. Some
Yes, sir. So this,
candidates who are now some candidates who are now in the final year have applied, but I
yes,
have
sir.
told them that they will not be permitted to attend the interview. That is okay.
Okay,
You need not tell this unless it comes as a matter of this is no
okay,
credit for you, you know. It's not a
okay,
credit. Except that you cleared GD last time. This year also you have cleared. That is the thing. This year you are eligible, so you are appearing for the interview.
interview.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Which organization controls stock exchanges?
Sir, Bombay Stock Exchange,
No. SEBI.
the SEBI.
Securities Exchange Board of India is the organization that is controlling stock exchanges in India. They also give license for merchant bankers. They also give license for mutual funds. They are the people who are authorizing issue of IPOs. What is IPO?
IP. Initial public offering.
Correct. Initial public offering. What is FPO?
FPO. I don't know. I'm not aware.
For follow on public offer. I think your knowledge regarding banking is not adequate. Why did you not study earlier? There is a guidely book I have given, and almost all these questions are oft repeated. I'm not asking anything new. This is
Okay,
very
sir.
routine question. Yeah. So tomorrow at what time is your interview?
One, sir. 1 p.m.
So up to that 1 p.m., you just go through the some of the videos of questions that I have asked. From there, you can note, or you watch only successful videos.
No,
There
sir.
are
Actually, I did watched a lot of videos, and on the basis of that, I have prepared. For example, you have asked in several of your interviews, what are the recent news you have heard of Federal? Then, what is the
yeah, yeah.
revenue of? What is
That
the
they will
current?
ask. That they
Yeah.
will
What is
ask.
yeah?
Then
What is
you
the
tell
current
you,
share price? All these things I have studied, sir.
yeah, and you try to take them to that place. That is,
Yeah.
while talking in giving answers, you try to tell. It is my one of my hobbies to go through newspapers and update myself about the current affairs. Something like that. You say, then they will ask that question. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
And regarding this is very routine question. Today, I have done in this paper in the first few pages. These questions are coming. Sure, short questions. Did you see that one? Sure, short questions. Did you see that or not? No.
No, I have not, sir.
I
So
think
we
you are
were
not.
actually traveling, sir. Today morning only we reached, and then after that we went to our university to get the documents because we did not get the mark sheets also, and tomorrow we have to submit them. So
Yeah.
now at 7 only we came to the room.
So this is the paper I am referring to. This is where.
Yes.
uh, Did you see this or not? This document, A 2023 Federal Bank interview questions.
No, sir.
This
Now
was
you have shared it. I will see that definitely.
no, no, this was given to you along with interview folder. Did you get folder only recently from me? Or when
Yes,
did you?
I
Acha, acha,
joined on. Yes, I joined on 5 only, sir.
acha, acha, then it is okay. 5 means even
Yeah.
3 days have been there, you could have made use of. This is a document which tells about, same, the hierarchy in Federal Bank. This is the first page which tells about what is the quarter one financial results. They are asking, did you go
Yes,
through this or not?
yes, but I am aware of that, sir. It is around 2.33 lakh crore
No, 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 wrong, wrong.
or 2.
2.66 lakh crore.
Sir,
2.66 lakh crore. No, no.
sir,
In the, in the previous version, what was given was quarter, I mean, 31 3 2024. Now we
oh,
have to update as on 30th June 2024. So that is what it is. Please go through this one again.
actually, I
Okay.
recently read that they reached up to 2.69 lakh crore advances, which rose from 19% to 2.33 lakh crore. And earlier it was 2. I'm saying about quarter two FY25 and
Acha,
financial
acha.
year 20.
Quarter two has come. That's a very good. But that has not been announced by them. Possibly
Yeah,
you
that,
might have seen it. You might have seen in money control. Don't be
yes, yes.
guided by that. Be guided by this one only. It it is not necessary for us to know what is given in money control, but what is given in the Federal Bank website only, they will be asking. Let me see
Oh,
what they have asked this girl. This girl has
yes.
been asked. Mm, so I think they have not bothered about that question. They have not asked that. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
So campus recruitment, then how can you contribute Federal Bank, that you have already answered. Which organization controls stock exchange, you told. How do you estimate yourself? Are you an optimistic person or a pessimistic person?
Sir, I would say that I am an optimistic person because I believe in focusing on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Whenever I face a challenge, I try to see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. I also set positive goals for myself and work with them with a sense of purpose, which always keeps me motivated.
Insurance Regulatory Body of India. What is that?
Sir, I am aware of this. Sir, that is IRDAI, sir. That is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India.
Who is the chairman?
Sir, that I am not aware.
Mr. Debasish Panda.
Devashish Okay,
Mr.
sir, I'll write.
Yeah. Um, what is the current share price of Federal Bank?
Sir, it is 188 rupees.
Recently launched AI technology of Federal Bank, which
Yes,
is
sir.
one of its kind. Smile Pay. What
Yes,
is
sir,
that?
it is. Sir. Also, in terms of AI only, they have updated the Phpe chat box, which earlier used to speak only in English, but now they have collaborated with Bhashini, so that chat box will be able to speak in 15 more languages.
Acha, good. What is this Smile Pay?
Sir, this Smile Pay is actually what is that?
You don't know.
It no, sir. No, sir. It uses sir face authorization to ensure secure transactions.
Oh, correct, correct, correct. Smile Pay allows for completely contactless transactions,
Yes, sir.
enhancing hygiene and convenience, speed, efficiency. Transactions with Smile Pay or Swift, reducing time spent at checkout counters and improving overall customer experience. ये mug up करके बोलना है. You have to mug up this. Go through all these questions. What is the limit
Okay, sir.
of quick pay in Federal Bank?
What
1
is the
lakh
limit of?
every 24 hours. Then what is the
Okay,
limit of check in Federal Bank? 10,000 per month, maximum
okay.
2 checks per month for SB. No, no, this is wrong. This is
Sir,
wrong.
quick
Not
check is 10,000.
this is wrong.
Yeah,
What is this question? What is the limit of check in Federal Bank?
limit of check-in.
No, no, I think
I will
they are meaning about some other account. Fed
limit of
Mobile Federal Bank. So this is but I don't, this 10,000 per month, maximum 2 checks and all. I have never seen that. Then
yeah.
next one,
Sir, what was
can
the
I
limit of
deposit cash? Pardon? These are all new
what,
questions relating to your subject only. How many
okay.
transactions are free in Federal Bank? As per RBI directives, 5 free ATM transactions per month. Can I
Yes,
deposit cash in Federal Bank in ATM? Federal Bank cash deposit machine you can deposit. What
yes,
is,
sir.
how can I transfer with quick pay? What is quick pay? Oh, this is, you need to add recipient's phone number. This is not related to us, I think. Something else.
Yes,
This is Euro, not related to us. So kindly go through these questions afterwards. Now,
yes,
they
sir.
are asking questions like this. Today, in which state election results came? What are the results?
Sir, I think it was in Haryana and that Haryana, yeah, that
Jammu
only
Kashmir.
elections. Yes, sir. Haryana and Jammu Kashmir.
Was the result announced? I don't know. I have not seen it because I have
Yes,
been
sir.
busy
Yes,
with this. What is the end
sir.
result?
Sir, the Congress alliance won. Like
Acha?
they got, I think, yes, they got 49 seats and BJP only won 29 seats.
What about Jammu Kashmir?
So that was for Jammu Kashmir only.
No, no.
And
You're,
in Haryana, sir, BJP has won.
Acha, BJP has won. Oh, oh.
Yes, sir. And by
Acha.
this, I think they also got hat trick in Haryana.
Acha, very, I was not. But the exit polls were telling Congress will get it, but wrong prediction. Okay.
Sir, exit poll
Name,
are basically dependent on
yeah.
statistics. The statistics is
Uh,
not completely a truth.
no, no, but you are a statistics girl. You are not believing statistics. Doesn't
Sir,
matter. Don't
there
tell like this. In the
no,
interview, don't tell like this.
no,
Do not
sir.
tell
Actually,
like this.
there are two things: a deterministic approach and probabilistic approach, sir. So statistics is probabilistic approach. So therefore, we cannot ever be certain. There is going to be some part where which will it like where it won't be true.
Last question for you. Name 5 chief ministers of India.
Yes, sir. So basically, for Uttarakhand, we have Pushkar Singh Dhami. For Uttar Pradesh, we have Yogi Adityanath. West Bengal, we have Mamata Banerjee. For Tamil Nadu, we have MK Stalin. And for Maharashtra, we have Eknath Shinde.
You must include Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan.
Okay, I will add Kerala also.
Kerala is very important because you are going to a Kerala bank.
Yes, sir. Kerala, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Where are we now?
Sir, is there what